the Bingley Cemetery, and I'm just checking out my mum's grave, and her mum, Fuifui Tufuga, is just buried over there as well. And apparently mum's grave is her tombstone. Her things have all come out, so I've got to repaint this and fix it up again. Don't know why, but it's just all worn out. And this is my mum's mother. This is her grave. This is my grandmother's grave. Fuifui Tufuga. She passed away last month on the 19th of May 2009. It's Fuifui Tufuga's grave, and they'll build a monument on top of this soon. But this is what it looks like for the time being. Going to use this. I'm going to apply this gloss enamel white paint. It's a white gloss, and it's from White Knight. And for some bizarre reason, this one's giving me some indication as to why my paint flaked off so easily. Basically, I'm applying the paint onto the stone like so that tomorrow I'll scrape it off. And I was just wondering whether somebody was trying to give me a clue here. Now this is white enamel by the White Knight. It's a White Knight paint. Now I'm trying to figure out whether this may be a clue. You tell me, pray tell. Well, yesterday I had to repair this, and this is what it looks like the day after. Okay, all done. Still misspelt whaalinga in the Samoan language, but too bad. We're going to have to repair this, fix up the rows again, but at least we repainted and repaired the tombstone. Funnel painted the outside, the exterior, so thanks to Funnel, that's a pretty good job. Anyway, now you can read what was written.